And now it is time for our good friend George to start mapping out the size of the driveway and car park area. I've had a little bit of trouble setting them up so far. So down here, originally I had him parked there, but because of the way that the LUBA 2 or the mapping works, is it wants to go like out on an angle and then back in, but because there's actually not enough space here, it just would hit something and then would cancel. So what I'm having to do is move that there, and then it just goes straight. So I need to unfortunately rejig my pavers here, and also obviously got this top board, and then the RTK is just there. So what I'm going to do now is just start mapping out all of the area for George. So I brought this LUBA 2 5000X while we were doing under construction.
Flashback.
All drive model. So the newest one that's come out, it's got the 6 blades and some other features.
No way!
Okay, so I'm gonna give this a good run for its money. Not sponsored, didn't get this for free. I brought this from Robomate NZ, and it came within 3 days of payment. Without further ado, I'll open this up.
A few moments later.
I got it set up over where I was living and just tested it a little bit. And I'm pretty happy with it so far. So this is definitely going to be a big challenge for something of this sort of size. Not sure really how it will go long term, but I'm willing to try because the time saving is definitely a plus. So I'm going to get set up and crack into this. So now I'm gonna be, probably can see it here, gonna be mowing area 10, which is down the side of the road, so quite a dangerous area, as well as it's a little bit tricky for it because there's a fair bit of slope there too. So we will, it's just getting reflection. Probably can see it there. So I've got quite a map there at the moment, so we'll see how that goes. Bit of a high stakes area here because just beside where he turns around is that, which is about a 1.5 meter drop. Go into this little swampy area here. Yeah. George is going well. Just set it to 55mm cutting height, so I can drop it once it's done a full pass. With these slopes, you can see it obviously as it's going, it kind of drifts a bit, so then it's having to slow down and turn. Whereas when I'm driving it, I can go quite fast because I'm basically turning the whole time. Comes with this nice like laminated thick paper, not Oz. Oh yes, so emergency stop. So I got emergency stop button, rain sensor on top there, vision mode number 3, which is this guy here, auxiliary light up front, ultrasonic sensor in there, front bumper, yep, front indicator, so they must have a little something there, control center number 8, so that's inside there, side LED number 9, oh sorry, control center's there, side LED there, cutting blade where it should be, cutting disc there as well, infrared receiver, oh yes, so that's at the back there, charging pad at the back, omni wheels, so these ones here, so they can obviously turn while driving, and then the rear wheels. Okay, that's looking pretty neat. Stick this out of the way. So that will be the user manual. It's very well packaged, that's for sure. Charging base and the unit. That is clean. This must be the RTK system. Should probably read the instructions. That's probably for this. Yep, that thread goes on there. So you push this down to the ground. Yes. And then that holds that in place. Okay. 28 volt, 180 watt. Little proprietary. Never seen anything like that before. Which makes it tricky if it ever breaks, but anyway. This is all the blade stuff, so that'll be putting all the blades together. That gets top of the RTK system, so that'll go on the very top. Looks like an aerial, so that goes on there, nice. just working out as I go. What's this? Ah, little screwdriver. Not sure it'll compete with this one though. Then we have... Okay, so this is likely the RTK power. Yes, that's the RTK power, and this must be an extension for it. Okay. And what's this? Ah, this is to mount that. Okay, what I'll do is I will keep I'm gonna grab me a box for all the bits that I don't want scattered everywhere. PDL box. So all of these bits, which is the little ground screws for the charging station. I'll hide it now. Should probably have a look at this. Just see. Scan the QR code to look at the manual. Okay, I probably want to do that later. Oh, so it's just scan their QR code because there's different languages. I shall do that then. Download the Motion app. Okay.